Hello everybody, ako si Ashton Olviga. Ito si...
Andres Mulak. Today, magsasabi kami ng 5 facts about us.
Okay, first fact, Andres. What is your favorite movie?
Favorite movie ko ay A Walk to Remember.
Ano?
A Walk to Remember! Ikaw?
Ako, my favorite movie siguro is Meet Joe Black. Panoorin nyo yan. Panoorin nyo yan. It's super good. Nakakaiyak guys. Panoorin nyo yan. Second, what is your favorite Filipino food?
Tinola. At adobo. Hey Ashton, what is your favorite Filipino food?
Hulaan mo.
Sinigang?
Oh! How'd you know that? Guys, salmon sinigang. Paborito ko yan. That's my favorite. Diba, Ash? Ito na, third. Can you please tell us about your hobbies or any sports if you play any sports?
Badminton.
So, badminton. Favorite sport mo yan?
Super favorite.
That's hobby rin.
Super favorite ko yun. Ikaw? Dami to.
I'll have to say basketball at golf. What is your motto in life?
Time is gold. Kaya dapat i-share mo lahat ng mga nakasama mo ngayon. Spread love and kindness para no regrets.
Yan, guys, ang ganda. What an answer. So kung yung answer mo is time is gold, my motto in life is gold is time. Yung ano? Gold is time. Alam mo kung bakit, guys? Time well spent. Yeah, okay guys, this has been 5 facts with
Andres Mulak?
and Ashton Olviga. Guys,